Well folks, we are just getting ready for the 2024 open water season, and this year we are throwing some amped batteries in the boat. So since one of these batteries is only 12 volts, we needed two of these big deep cycle batteries, cross them to make 24 volts. These batteries, they come 24 volt already. So you could run one battery, 24 volts, 50 amp hours. You could buy one of these and run your trolling motor on it and probably go about all day. But I use my boat like no other, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put these in parallel, which is gonna give us 100 amp hours, and it's still gonna be 24 volts. So we're gonna get these down in here, show you how we're doing it, and I'm really excited. We've been using amped in all of our ice fishing stuff with just small batteries. We have these in the aqua views, we have it in the live scopes, we got them in the hummingbirds, so we've had really good luck with amped, and now it's time to put some amped into the boat for some open water stuff. So super excited. Also, the other thing, having the 12 volt system, to make it 24 volt, you need two batteries, which then you need a 2-bank charger. So this was the big charger that I had before to charge two batteries. And now with the amped, we're going down to the amped charger. It's like half the size, half the weight, and it's gonna charge these all together with just one connection. It's gonna be awesome. So super excited. I'm just gonna kind of show you what this is gonna look like down in here. So we have a cross wire, which is gonna go positive to positive, negative to negative, just like that. And then the charger is gonna go from this positive over to this one. And what that does is so it evenly charges both batteries. And then also with the trolling motor, what I'm gonna do with the trolling motor for discharging, I'm gonna go from this negative to this positive. So when the trolling motor discharges, it pulls it from both batteries as well, and it's just like a standard 24 volt. It's just 100 amp hours instead of 50. So that's what it's gonna look like once we get it all up down in there, and that's what we're gonna do right now. And these batteries are so light, it's crazy. So I'm gonna have the charger in this compartment right here. The charger's gonna go right up against this back wall, and I'm gonna thread down the charger down into the side here. So there's their charger coming through right there. This is gonna be what goes to the trolling motor. So we'll keep that out. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put our jumper wire. We're gonna get our jumper wire ready to go for our positives. Loosen all these up. They come kind of tight right out of the box, so just give it a little bit of loosen. This is a 1/2 inch. Otherwise a 13 millimeter would probably work for you. We're doing positive and positive. This is the charger and the jumper wire. On that one I will put the trolling motor discharge. This is a lot less wires than what was in here before as well. So this is just a circuit breaker that goes to the trolling motor. So you always want to have a circuit breaker in case the trolling motor overloads things. So that's gonna go over onto this one here. Wire that down into there. So we have the positive for the trolling motor on that battery. The negative is gonna go back to this battery over here. We'll also grab our negative jumper wire. So negative jumper. We have a charger, so our charger, since we have the charger on the back battery, the negative charger is gonna go to the front battery. So get our jumper wire on here. And like I was saying, this is a lot less wires than having those 2-bank chargers and stuff too. So the jumper wire and our charger wire coming up to the front battery. And this is as easy as it is, guys. Like literally, this is a 24 volt system. However, just reiterating this one more time, this is parallel, positive to positive, negative to negative, 24 volts. That's what this system is. We don't need to do a 12 and a 12 and cross, because 24 volt battery, 24 volt battery. We'll get these tightened up. Okay, so our charger wire. This is our charger wire, and you can also, they come with these quick disconnects. And I did forget to mention that right from Amped, this is a kit. So you can get the two batteries, you get the charger, And the only thing it doesn't come with is the jumper wires from one battery to the next battery. You do want to make sure you do have, you know, jumper wires. I did have these laying around. They should be heavy gauge enough. But I just want to reiterate, when you have to go from positive from one battery to negative to the other, the reason we do that is so that when the charger charges into this battery, it's also charging this battery at the same rate. Now, when it discharges, negative from the trolling motor, positive to the trolling motor. So it discharges it at the same rate and it charges also at the same rate. So this boat does come with an outlet in the back, which are these wires, but I just don't use my outlet in the back. So those wires just stay down there. They don't do nothing. We're gonna get these all kind of nice and neat where I want them to be. We're gonna put our cover on, we'll get our fishing rods in, and before you know it, we'll be doing some fishing. And we gotta mount the charger still. Perfect, hey, we got power. That's that. Cool. I'm excited. These are gonna run for like days on end. Yes. All right, so we are going to figure out where we want to mount this charger. I can't believe, I mean, the other one almost took up like this whole compartment right here. So what I'm gonna do is I want to put this one on the wall back here. Through right there. So that's one. And push that in there really nice. I mean, you can't even tell it's in that compartment. So make sure my stuff's lined up. Oh, there we go. You see me come through? Okay. Get my wrench on it here. Sender. We got our 4 bolts in there. It is the ever bittest, tiniest of crooked, but not that bad. There it is. The other thing I forgot to mention about these batteries is they have Bluetooth systems in them, like a management system. So you could actually go in and look at each cell and see what each cell is. And then when you're charging it, it tells you how much time is left to charge. And when you're discharging them, it tells you how much time is left to discharge. It's just really cool technology in these batteries nowadays. And I'm like super, super excited about it. So we will see you guys on the water with that, with these batteries and everything else. If you guys got any questions about this, leave them in the comments. I'll try to answer what I can. And like always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos, and we will see you next time.